She used to work at King of Diamonds on a Monday. Only hit the club on Saturday and Sunday. I used to pull up.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Marielle C in the cut. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. Right? It's going to be a really short, cute little video. And let's get straight to it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our little spoolie and then we're going to take in some edge booster. Now, you're probably like, edge booster? Why would she use edge booster? Right? Trust the process, trust the process. I ain't crazy. Don't judge me. I ain't crazy. It works. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to take the edge booster and we're actually going to put it in our brows. Then we're going to use the spoolie to kind of like gel the hairs down so they're really nice and flat. You know how you see those people on Instagram and they use that like soap bar to get their hairs, their brow hairs nice and flat? Well, I ain't got the soap bar. So we're going to substitute the soap with the gel, right? It really works. Basically, we're just going to be putting it through our brow hairs and using the spoolie to brush our hairs nice and flat. So the reason why I use the gel is because it helps manage my brow hairs. I do have quite a bit of brow hair, so it helps manage my brow hair, and it also helps me shape them in a certain way. And when I go in to fill it in, it's just way easier for me and it's more manageable throughout the day. And as you can see, guys, I'm actually pressing down on my brow hairs from time to time just to get the hairs really nice and flat. So now we're going to be going in with the Item Beauty Brow Chow in Deep Brunette, and we're going to be lining our brows with this. I actually got this in my Ipsy. I believe it was December, but it might have been November, and I actually ended up really liking it. So that's what we're going to be using, and then we're going to be going in with our e.l.f. liner and brow gel pomade in Espresso, and we're going to be using that to fill in our brows and just to further darken it. Now my brows, they actually were more on the thicker side. Now that I'm like watching this video back, if you do like see my makeup look and stuff like that, you do tend to see my brows kind of range from being thick to thin, just really depending on, you know, when I groom them. I didn't groom them this video. I actually groomed them like right after I filmed this video, like a couple of days after. But yeah, so my brows, they look like this, but sometimes they end up looking a little thinner if I do groom them. So yeah. So now we're going to be going in with the Eyebrow Pro Conceal in Fawn, and then the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in 35N Medium, and we're going to be going in with both of these shades to outline and highlight underneath our brows. Now, your girl did mess up a little bit, but it's okay. It's okay. We're going to be going back in, and we're going to be fixing it, and it's going to be like it never happened, okay? Okay. Right, so since we're going for a more full face of makeup today, we are going to be using these lighter shades to highlight underneath our eyes. But if we were going in for a more like natural face of makeup where I only did my brows and mascara, we'd be going for a more skin tone shade for both the top and the bottom. So the shade I'm going to be using to conceal on the top of my brows is the Eyebrow Pro Conceal. Now, if we're going for more natural face, we'll be also using that on the bottom. But since we're going for a more full face, we're going to only be using that on the top and these lighter shades to highlight on the bottom. So the rest of this video is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm just shaping my brows and blending, right? So I just wanted to quickly just say thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you got something out of this video, whether you actually learned something or you're just watching it because you know you like watching my videos. Right? I just want to say thank you so much for taking your time out of your day to watch my video. It's definitely appreciated. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below any other video ideas that you'd like to see from me, because this channel is as much mine as it is yours, right? And yeah, don't forget to follow me on my socials, Instagram and Snapchat. Links to those will be down in the description bar. And until next time, bye.
Gym into a work day. I'm sprung, she got me doing the dishes. Hella nigga down when the clip was to an extension. You so bad, yeah. You